Hi, we're the Frain Group service technicians that cycled your Curtis 5 horsepower air compressor. Before powering up the machine, it's recommended to read the manual in its entirety. The manual will be placed with the machine when it's shipped. The voltage on the air compressor is currently set for 3-phase 60 cycle 240 volts. We recommend a field service technician to assist with your startup and training on the machine. Please contact our field service manager to meet all your field service requirements. We currently have the compressor set at 150 psi. We're going to slowly release pressure to bring it down to 145, which will turn the compressor on. The compressor should run until we hit 175 psi, which will